Hello, everyone. So I'd like to talk to you about something that I just started working with not so long ago. It's basically giving a voice to your website using AI. Basically, something like what you see on this page right now. Um, but to just illustrate this, let's create an example or a situation that could happen. Say it's in the middle of the night and I have a problem with my dentures. Maybe they just broke, or I have a problem with my that requires a dental person, like a dentist, as an emergency. So what I would do is I go online and then I would go and search the word about um, dental practice in PMB. I'm actually at my sister's place. So I'd look for a dentist somewhere close by. I happen to be in Hayfields, so I'll be interested in this website. Now, suddenly I have become a potential customer, a potential client for Hayfield's dental practice. I don't even know who they are, but I'm looking for something specific. Like, do they actually work with dentures? So now I have to go through their website. Okay, I can see when they're open. Okay, oh, nice lady. And they have services that they offer. Say if I'm in pain, I'm not even going to want to go through all of this to look through these things. Well, if it's dentures, probably I'm not in pain, so I'll probably find it. Or they do work with dentures, then I can actually now go and make an appointment or go and make an appointment. Uh, so I view the availability and all of that stuff and blah, blah, blah. Or I could go onto the contact us page basically to, well, contact them. All right, so it's amazing. I mean, they have a lot of things set up. If I feel, okay, what I'm looking for is not easy to find, what am I going to do? I'm going to go back to Google and find the next person or the next business. Then they would have lost a sale. But here's another thing. I actually came on the website looking for something specific. I'm a very hot prospect, a very hot lead, but they don't know that I came. I didn't leave any information. They do not know. Like, say they have 1,000 people go to their website, and unless the person goes to their contact us or make an appointment page, they don't know even if that those people came. Here's another thing: people come with different queries. I came wanting to find out about dentures. Someone else comes in to find out about um, fillings. Someone wants an extraction and an emergency, and blah blah blah. Now they don't really know how many people come with which queries. So they might have like a lot more people wanting denture work than people wanting extractions, or they might have a lot more people wanting extractions and not as many wanting other things. And so they can, if they had that information, they would strategize their marketing a bit better, focus on what the people around them want. That's basically what I'm saying. But there's the thing I'm talking about here though is that they have a website. It's a wonderful website. It's very beautiful actually, but it doesn't have a voice. I can't ask it specific questions. You know, I have to go look for the information. But there's something that I can do about that, or something that we can do about that with AI. Not replacing anyone's job, which is the beautiful thing about what I'm actually talking about. It's just going to make the work easier because I'm sure they have a receptionist or someone that basically takes their calls or that confirms appointments and blah blah blah, or responds to information or responds to queries that have been asked by people. But that person doesn't know that I'm asking that information or that I've asked that information, so they can't follow up with me because again, the money is in the follow up. So but if I left a trace, they could know how many people go onto the website looking for what specifically. They might find that it's something that they do serve, there's a service that they do deliver, but it's not explicit on the website. Maybe they could change it and add it on the website. Like if there's like 80% of the people that come to the website come asking about emergency extractions, like literally that word, emergency extractions. If they had a lot of people asking for that, they'll probably put that as number one on the services that they offer. Give the people what they want, and they'll get more bookings that way. But anyway, I'm just saying there's more that could be done. Now, how do I give this, or how do we give this website a voice? There's this platform called basically Chatbot Builder AI. It actually, you can create something exactly like this. They have a chatbot on their website. Like when you log on, you actually have the button here, it pops up, and you can actually ask the chatbot any questions. We could create that for Hayfields Dental in a very short space of time. Actually, let's do it. Let me just show you what I mean. I'm gonna create a very basic one. I mean, you can obviously you put in more time and more expertise, you make it more effective and amazing, and it does all these wonderful things. But I'm just gonna create a very basic one that gives that website like a way that people can communicate with it and actually ask questions on the website. Okay, so I'm signing in. This is I prefer using Google to sign in. It's a lot quicker. And then, okay, so I'm here. Now, the beautiful thing about this platform is that you can create as many accounts, like a lot of, like you can create a number of accounts for free, and you get a trial for 3 days. And that trial, in those 3 days, you can do anything. It gives you a full access to everything. And then at the end of the 3 days, then you're obviously have to upgrade. And it's like $49 per month. That's basically the membership of like the subscription for the service. So I'm just going to create a new one uh, and call it, okay, it's going to be a web chat. See, all of this, these are all the different communication platforms that you can use, or communication channels that you can use with this platform. So I'm going to create one and call it Hayfields Dental website. Oh my gosh, district code. Didn't even say that. Users that come to the website. Here is copy from page, and then I'm going to go and just enter all of that. Okay, so it's creating the knowledge base. Okay, I'm just going to copy this. This is the basic one that we're creating, right? So we'll go back to this. Now we are training this chatbot. Okay, I'm going to go to settings. And then in settings, we're going to go and find integrations, OpenAI. This comes already set up. That's the beautiful thing about it. I just created this account. So I'm going to create this prompt. Now, the key thing or the power of this, the like GPTs or this AI thing is the prompt. Like if you have a good prompt, you can like create miracles. This is a basic one, but it's still quite amazing. So I'm just going to tell it what it's who it is, who it is, and what it's going to do. Like when we're doing a professional one, we actually do a whole lot of things. Like we have a 5Ps, the 5P framework that we have from Brian Beckett, the chat but king, basically. But I'm not going to do that. Like right now, I'm just doing a very basic one. So I'm going to tell it you are home. AI assistant dental. You answer or you respond to users in many and give the information you have copy. I'm just giving it the information. I'm just going to paste the knowledge base that I got from ChatGPT. This gives you 48,000 characters. I've only used 1,996. So I could actually add more information if I wanted to. Let me just do that because there's another page here called our team. So I could just take that text as well, copy, and I'm just going to put it in here. as is, paste. Okay, there's a lot of things that you can do with this thing. Like you can even instruct it to ask, like if, for instance, a person wants to book an appointment, you can tell it exactly what information that you want from the person booking the appointment, and you collect the information, and then that information can be given to, um, say, your receptionist. So he knows already there's 5 people who booked appointments last night at 2 a.m. And these are their names and these are the times that they want to come in. And she checks through availability and confirms the appointments or reschedules as needed. So, I mean, you could do quite a lot of things. I mean, you can even get, like I was saying earlier, like survey information, like find out what do people actually want. When people in that area are looking for instructions for milk teeth, for instance, or whatever it is, and you can actually like focus your attention or marketing on that more than anything else. Anyway, but this is the basic one. So, okay, just gonna go continue. So that has been saved. And I want 10 on AutoGPT so that it basically responds based on this. Now, this comes already pre-built with a ton of amazing stuff. Oh, I forgot something. I needed to save. Let's make sure that we do that. Because if we don't save the changes that you make, it doesn't know that you've actually made them. So we're on integrations, OpenAI, edit. Oh shit. So now I have to do this thing over again. It's fine. Grab this from ChatGPT, copy that. It's quite interesting doing these things live without any, like, I didn't do any preparation. This is literally like impromptu. So, okay, and then I wanted to take this data, copy that, and then paste it in there. And then I go continue, and then onto GPT, put that there, and then save. Okay, good. Now that it's saved, I can actually come here to flows. This comes pre-built with like those basic flows that you need, which are actually not basic, they're like kick-ass, they are quite amazing. You have welcome messages, you have default replies, you have special flows, and then you can add other things and make it more exciting. But that's what all we need is already in there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to demonstrate and show you what it would look like if it was actually on that website. Oh, actually, here's a cute thing. I could go into marketing, and then what I want to do is this one, bot simulator. I can simulate what it's going to look like when it's on their chatbot. So here I would have to add a new chatbot. So you add the name for the chatbot. Let's call it Tom Dental. Okay, continue. Okay, welcome message. We're going to use the welcome message, standard welcome message that's from the website. Authorized websites. This will work. Okay, so you give it what website you want it to work on. So move this and copy that. And I put that website there. Add new. Boom. I don't know, let's just leave it like that. I could add conversation starters so that it like frequently ask questions, or I could put a persistent menu so there's like buttons that show up all the time. Yeah, but this is the basic one. It's just a basic demonstration. Let me save that, and then let's go back to marketing. We were creating a bot simulator. Now that we have the chatbot created, so we select that, and then we're going to put it on this website, the home page for eFields. Copy. I just saw something I want to check. Okay, yeah. And then now the link that I just copied, I'm going to come and paste it here. And then let's go check it out. Here's an interesting thing. So this is the website. Let's go to the home page. So this is what the home page looks like. Look at the bottom right corner. There's nothing there. But at this on this one with the link, it has this baby here. That's a chatbot. You can change the color so that it's more, it fits in with the color scheme and all of that stuff. But I just want to show you the functionality of it. So a person that comes in like, oh, chatbot, he clicks on that. It says, welcome to Havens Dental. How can I assist you today? Now, if you're making a special one, we can set it up so that it waits for like, I don't know, 20 seconds and then has a pop-up that says this. And then it's like, oh, how can I assist you today? Let's say the person wants to find out, you have, oh, you have canal. Can help me with that? Yes, both of them. They can do root canal procedures. Even tells me what it is. I would like to schedule. Yes, I will book, please. Awesome. When this happens, it's already just given my contact to the person. Let's say I just have this request. No, just a specific request. Okay, this interaction has happened. The same maybe it happened at 2 a.m. Now I know to expect a call from People's Dental Practice. Am I going to continue on Google to find another potential person place to do my root canal next week Tuesday? Probably not. I would rather wait for these guys and see what they say in the morning. Makes sense? It's quite cool. Now let's look at the back end. Now this is what happens for the potential customer. Now on the back end, that's what it looks like. And let's go to analytics. Already it tells me that there's one person, one contact. And then if I go to contacts, there's the contact, was 4 minutes ago. And then last seen a minute ago. It has the whole conversation on record. So when the receptionist comes in the morning and there's like 5 contacts or 10 contacts that happened last night and go through each one before calling you and actually find out exactly what went down, which is quite amazing. Now, when we set this up like with a proper prompt and all the functions and things like that, you can actually collect the information on the appointment, like on the spot, like email, phone numbers, all of that stuff. And then you can actually you actually have a lead, a perfect lead right there. But the customer that came in now knows that you actually do care, you know. And then on top of that, you have like 10 people that keep requesting root canals. Maybe root canals are like the thing. I'm just giving that as an example. So, but yeah, I mean, this is just a basic example of a very, very basic chatbot. I wouldn't actually sell this. I would actually do something more with this, like put in some functions that it actually automatically collects the data and like the contact information and books the appointment and puts that on a Google calendar and things like that. You can actually do a whole lot of things with this platform. It's quite magical. Anyway, this was just to show you what is possible. Get some juices flowing. Anyway, my name is Simpiwe. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.